What are you doing? Uh-oh. Are those too big for you, Ryan? Are those shoes too big? No, they're just the right size, Mommy. They're daddy's, but they're the right size for me. You can put them on. Here we go. Here, Mommy will help you. Whoa. Good job. There you go, you can do it. Good job. Good job, Ryan. Are you using Daddy's shoes? Good job. No, they're not too big. Think they're too big? No, they're not too big. Yeah, did it help? Is it for Mommy? Oh, for Mommy. Okay, here. Here we go. Do my Mommy to use those shoes? Here we go. Is it for Mommy? Okay, this one. Thank you. I guess Mommy can use Daddy's shoes. Oh, both of them, huh? This is for this one? Yeah, try to help me, huh? Here we are. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Look at Mommy. Good job.